I was cruising down Chandler Boulevard in the bike lane, and all of a sudden, boom, it was lights out. I have no idea what happened. I woke up in the back of an ambulance. I'd been struck by a hit-and-run driver. I suffered a severe concussion, broken collarbone, 5 broken ribs. It completely blew the helmet up on the side. It blew my foot right out of the shoe. The force was incredible. I'm certainly not the only one. I'm lucky. I'm lucky to be alive. You've got to be aware. You've got to be aware. It's everyone's responsibility to be more aware and be more careful. Not just the cyclists, not just the drivers, everybody. It's going to take everyone's contribution to make being on the road safer. See me as I ride.